Well, hello, handsome, and hello, beautiful. How are you guys doing? Today, I am dropping some gems for you. This video, okay, first of all, let me give you some background. This is a transfer client to me. She's been seeing me for about a couple of months. Beautiful Sisterlocks, but we don't know exactly what happened here. And I think it's slippage. And we have some thin hair hanging in the front. The lock is about to break, and so guess what? We're going to save it. And the gem I'm bringing to you is I'm going to show you guys how to connect either a cut or broken lock to another lock and secure it. Okay, are you ready? This is something that I will be putting in a master class, and I'm giving to you for free, girl. Free. So let's call the lock on her head lock A, and the lock in my hand lock B. The lock in my hand, lock B, has two ends. The loose ends and then the locked end. So I'm going to take the loose end part. I'm going to attach that to lock A, which is the one on her head, the end of hers. And then I'm going to make a 90 degree. Or in other words, I'm going to make a cross, the sign of a cross, right? I'm going to cross it over. I'm going to use the lock in my right hand, my right finger, as the starting braid. So I'm doing a 3 braid. The one in my right hand is the end of lock B, and then the one in the middle is lock A, which is coming from her root, and the one on the left is the end of lock A, which is the locked side. That makes no sense. Let me say that again. So I'm going to take lock B in my hand. It has two ends, right? Lock B in my hand. I'm going to use that to cross lock A on her head, and I'm going to use lock B to braid lock A. I hope that makes sense. I think with me slowing this down, you can see what I'm doing, but the explanation is bullshit. But I hope you can understand what I'm trying to say. When I'm done braiding it down, I leave some of the ends, I wrap it around the lock, and then I use the instant crochet tool to basically just go through the part where I wrap the lock. And what I'm doing there is I'm trying to pull the strands into the lock to secure it. So I just keep picking and picking and picking. Then when I feel like I've had enough hair come out, I will then tuck it with the tool. That's the best way I can explain this. If you want to really understand what I'm doing, just hang around. I will be dropping a masterclass soon where I can actually slow these things down and show you up close what I'm doing. Okay, guys? So anyway, just wanted to share this gem with you guys. I was doing this repair and I thought, you know what? I could teach somebody how to do this. So I hope it helped. At least I hope the visual helped, even though the voiceover was like all over the place. All right, guys, I love you and I appreciate you spending the time to watch my video. I will see you in the next.